Hey everyone, welcome back to another new tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a file upload field on WooCommerce product page. No coding required. Let's start it. Go to the plugin firstly and then add new plugin. In the search box, type Shopbuilder by Radius Theme. Shopbuilder is a powerful WooCommerce builder for Elementor that lets you easily create custom WooCommerce page. Install this and then activate. Again, click on Add New Plugin and then Upload Plugin. For adding file upload field on WooCommerce, we need first to install the Pro version of it. Click on Install Now and activate this plugin. Now go to the Shopbuilder, Settings, then Modules. Find Product Addon and click on this to enable the switch for Product Addon modules. You will get several add-on settings. And these are the types of options that user can configure or add from the backend. And for price box settings, you can enable show add to cart after selection options, add-ons in cart page options, and add-ons in order email. For user access and permission, you can determine. Now let's move to the global add-ons to add new group. Firstly, provide your group name, like choose an image, and enter the group description. If either category or product is selected, then this setting will be applied to all products in WooCommerce. If you want, you can also switch on to display group name in the frontend and to display group description. Now click on Add New Field. Create another new field. Provide your filter label, like choose an image. Then select your filter type, like image upload. Set your price along with description. Now click on Save Changes. Let's move to the Visit the page. Here it is. Now click on Choose Image to upload your required photo. This is product price, add total, and grand total. If you further want to change your price, then go back to the global add-ons and fix it yourself. Again, to upload another image, click on Choose Image and select it yourself. Now, if you want further change your desired field type as group by, then select it and then choose your group by category. Now save your changes and let's go to visit the page. Here is our customization. For choosing image, upload as your choice. Now click on Add to Cart and View Cart. Here it is. Now click on Proceed to Checkout to visit it. Now click on Place Order. This is our order invoice as order details. From here, you can download the images. Now go to the WooCommerce. Here our status is processing. To view the further order, click on here. Here is our order details for our specific product. This is how you can easily add file upload field on WooCommerce product page. Thank you for watching.